Let us consider a general reaction. AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. The rate of this reaction is equal to K. K means the rate constant, concentration of A to the power X and concentration of B to the power Y. Here the order of the reaction is N equal to X plus Y. Then K is equal to rate divided by concentration of A to the power X and concentration of B to the power Y. Overall order of this reaction is N. So the unit of rate is concentration per time, that is mole per liter per second, into 1 by concentration to the power N, where N is the overall order. For a zero order reaction, the order is equal to 0. The unit of rate constant is equal to, this is the unit of rate, mole per liter per second, into 1 by mole per liter, the unit of concentration, to the power 0, that is the order. Since it is a zero order, so it will be 0. So something to the power 0 is equal to 1, so the unit will be mole per liter per second. For a first order reaction, the order is equal to 1. So it is the unit of rate into 1 by mole per liter to the power 1, since it is a first order reaction. So mole and mole will be cancelled out, per liter and per liter will be cancelled out. So the order of rate constant for a first order reaction is per second. It can be per hour or per minute also. For a second order reaction, order is equal to 2. This is the unit of rate into 1 by mole per liter to the power 2. Since it is a second order reaction, so here order will be 2. So it will be mole square liter to the power minus 2. So per liter and liter to the power minus 2 कैंसिल करके नीचे लीटर टू दी पावर माइनस 1 रहेगा, सो ऊपर जाकर लीटर बन जाएगा. नीचे सेकंड है तो ये ऊपर जाकर पर सेकंड बन जाएगा. इधर नीचे मोल टू दी पावर 2 होगा एंड ऊपर होगा मोल टू दी पावर 1, सो ये कैंसिल होकर नीचे रह जाएगा मोल टू दी पावर 1, सो ये ऊपर बन जाएगा मोल टू दी पावर माइनस 1. So the unit of rate constant for a second order reaction will be per mole liter per second. For a third order reaction, the unit of rate constant will be mole to the power minus 2 liter square per second. Similarly, you can find for other order reactions also. Now let's see some examples. Identify the reaction order from each of the following rate constant. Here the value of rate constant is given 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 liter per mole per second. So we have to answer what is the order of the reaction. See here the unit is liter per mole per second, and see the chart. This is the unit of a second order reaction, so the reaction is a second order reaction. Similarly, the value of K is given for the second reaction. Here the value is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 per second. And see the chart. For a first order reaction, the unit is per second. So the order of the reaction having that rate constant will be first order.